If you're interested in learning how to make these delicious shrimp tacos with mango salsa, keep watching. Tonight, I'm showing you a quick and easy low-calorie and low-carb lunch or dinner that you can make in under 10 minutes. First, we're gonna start with the mango salsa. I don't know about you, but I always have a hard time cutting mangoes, always depending on how ripe they are. So I'm gonna cut this mango up in small pieces for the salsa. For the mango salsa, you have mango, red onion, fresh cilantro, red bell pepper, and Roma tomato. I usually use red and green bell pepper, but I didn't have any more. Then I go in and I squeeze in half a lime. I add salt to taste and tahini, classical seasoning. Now for the tacos, y'all. We have half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of Old Bay, and 1/4 teaspoon of complete seasoning. I also have about 7 ounces of shrimp for Matt and I. This meal will be super high in protein from the shrimp. And tonight I'm using white corn street style tortillas. You can also use flour tortillas as well. And lastly, I'm using avocado oil to cook. Avocado oil is a healthy fat and also has a high cooking temperature, which we will need for the shrimp. Y'all don't judge my pot. I was cooking something earlier. But I like to add the tortillas in first to give them kind of like grill marks, kind of. It adds absolutely no flavor or anything. I just like to do it. Now I'm gonna grab my avocado oil and add about 2 tablespoons of avocado oil to the pot. This is the fastest, quickest meal on the planet, y'all. So I'm gonna add the shrimp in now, and what you wanna do, you want to have your pot on medium heat, like medium high heat, and you're gonna cook the shrimp on each side for like a minute and a half. So in total, the shrimp should be cooking for 3 to 4 minutes to your liking. You do not want to overcook your shrimp. And that's it, y'all. This is a super easy and quick lunch or dinner, and it tastes so freaking good. I added 1 ounce of shrimp to each taco, which gave me 372 calories and 27 grams of protein for the entire meal. I'll add the macro breakdown. I'm adding this recipe to my blog, so click the link in the bio if you're interested and want to try to make this at home. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good night.